Hey guys, let's check if we can get the count of salesmen for a year. Okay, so the count of salesmen can vary from year to year. So, as we know, we have for 2008 we have two salesmen. For 2012 also we have two salesmen. Let's add one more salesman in, let's say, 2012, which is going to be Ajay, and another salesman in 2011, or I can say 2000, let's say 2008, Ajay. Okay, these two salesmen, or I can say Gopi, and let's chunk the numbers. So over to here, let's say I am going to add one more. So I am going to say count of man. So load year, comma, salesman, which is going to be in yearly salesman, resident of data. Now I am going to add my group by clause, group by year, and I'm going to load the data. So let's check if I'm getting the count of employee. So as you can see over here, I am getting around 18, 12, 18. So we had 2008 and 2012. So we have around 18 sales in 2008, but I don't get the exact numbers, correct? So what you can do is how many salesmen I want to see. So I can just add distinct. So what distinct will do, if the name or number is actually repeated, so you have to be very sure in what condition or in what case you are actually going to use this. So over to here, as you can see, yearly I have in 2008 I have around 19 salesmen. So how do I actually get 19 salesmen? So over here I'm going to remove all. I'm going to say salesman count, and I'm going to add year month. Oh, sorry, it is year. Now as you can see, I am getting around 18. So I am going to write distinct salesman. Now I am only getting 3, 2 and 2. Okay, so this is the real number. But if you see the back end, what you are actually getting is a very different number, which is 18, 12, 12 and 18. So this is because you are actually iterating over to the whole data itself. So to solve this, simply what you can do is you can just write in distinct in your count statement like this, and now when you see your data, you will going to get that. So these are some of the scenarios that you might not get in the Qlik community or something. So it is very likely to get, but still there are some of the scenarios which are not available. So you can actually write distinct like this and you can actually get that data. So what it is doing here is, if you are actually writing distinct over here, let's say load distinct, so it is going to take distinct of these two, okay, of salesman and here. But what I want to do is I just want to say distinct salesman because it is a textual value, right? So based on that, it is going to give you that distinct value. So this is how the distinct salesman, if you want to remove, you can get that.